Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have been looking for a flexible way to earn some extra money, Amazon Flex might be the best option for you. It allows you to deliver Amazon parcels at your own pace in your own car, and you will have an idea of how much you will be making before you accept the batch. In this video, I will walk you through the registration process, how to schedule the blocks, how to deliver the parcels, handle various challenges, and how much you can expect to earn. Stay tuned with me to the end because in the end I will show you how much I made after deducting the expenses and how many kilometers I drove my car. Let's start with what is Amazon Flex. It is a flexible delivery service where drivers pick up parcels from Amazon warehouse and deliver it to the customers. It is a great opportunity for anyone who is looking for flexible side job. It is great because you know upfrontly how much you will be making in 3 or 4 hours. If you take more or less than the expected time to complete the block, you will be paid same amount. For example, if a block is of 3 hours and you complete it within 2 hours, you will be paid for 3 hours. But if you take 4 hours, again you will be paid only for 3 hours. Now, let's move on to the registration process. First, download the app from Play Store or App Store like this. Okay, after downloading, you'll open the app and you'll click allow, and then you'll click create an account, and you'll enter your first name and last name. You'll enter your password, and then you'll click create your Amazon account. After that, you'll receive an OTP on your email. Okay, so that's how you will create your account. Now you will select a region where you will be delivering. In my case, I'll be selecting Vancouver and then continue. After filling in your details, you might see this thing. This means you are on their wait list and you might hear from them within a week or two. The same thing happened with me too. I waited for almost 2 weeks but I didn't hear anything from Amazon. So I created a new account using new email ID and it worked for me. If the same thing happens with you too, you can wait for 2 weeks, and if you don't hear from Amazon, just use a new email ID and create a new account. In the next step, you will upload your driver's license, your car details, your insurance papers, and your background check consent. And once all the documents are approved, you will get the access of the app and you'll be able to see the blocks. And you can start delivering with Amazon Flex. I was so happy when my account got approved because at that time I was new to this country and I needed it a lot. Now let's talk about picking up the delivery blocks. Amazon Flex lets you see all the delivery blocks available in your area. Let's see the app if we have any blocks available right now. As you can see, right now there are no offers available and it says come back later to check new offers. So here is the old screen recording where you can see the available batches and you can schedule any of the block that you want to deliver. As shown in the recording, you can filter by location and the time when you are available to deliver. Each block will show the approximate time that you will take to deliver and the earnings of that block. Once you accept a block, I will suggest you to reach the warehouse 5 or 10 minutes early before your scheduled time, because most of the warehouses are very strict with their timings. They won't let you pick up the packages if you are late more than 5 minutes. Once you are in their warehouse, you'll be assigned a cart and you scan all the parcels and load them in your car. On an average, there are approximately 35 to 40 parcels if you are doing a 3.5 hour route. So make sure your car has enough room for them. Now I will talk about how you can organize the parcels. Trust me, it's a very crucial part and I have learned it gradually. What I do is I put 1 to 10 parcels on my passenger seat and then 11 to 20 on my left side rear seat and then 20 to 30 on right side rear seat, and remaining all the parcels go in the trunk. It really helps me to deliver all the parcels efficiently. Once you have loaded your car, your app will show you the next instructions like where is your first stop and how many stops you will be making in your route. Once you reach your first stop, you will click on I have parked in the app. You will check the address on the parcel and match it with the app. After that, you will scan the parcel's barcode through the app and you will deliver the package at the customer's door and then take a photo. Swipe in the app to mark the delivery as complete. Then the app will show you the address of your next stop. What if you can't deliver a package? In some cases, while delivering to an apartment building, the customer is not available and they are not answering your calls or the buzzer, so you are stuck. In that case, what you will do is just call the support and ask them for the instructions. In most of the cases, you will have to return the parcels to the warehouse. But I will suggest you to call the customer support first because they will have a track of your recordings, your call recordings. And if you don't make a call to the customer support, it might affect your standings, which is not a good thing. You can return undelivered packages to the original pickup location by the end of your block or by 10 am the next day. Now, what about the customer support of Amazon Flex? They have a dedicated team and you can contact them through the app. The best thing is you can make them a call while delivering the packages, and if you have any issues while delivering, they will answer you and provide the support. According to my experience, here are the few things that you should have in your car while making Amazon deliveries. I would suggest you to have a good mobile holder and a charger because you'll need your phone for navigation, and trust me, while using the app, the battery runs out very quickly. A good internet connection because while delivering in some hilly areas, the network goes down. And trust me, it's very difficult if you don't have network and you don't know where you will be delivering. I usually carry a big bag in my trunk. It is helpful because if you have multiple packages of the same building, you can carry them all in one single trip. Now let's talk about how much you will make. Amazon pays drivers per delivery block. On an average, you will be earning around $22 to $27 per hour. And the payments are deposited into your bank account directly on Wednesdays. Stay tuned with me because I will share how much I earned after gas and how many kilometers I drove so that you can have a real picture. Now, why you will choose Amazon Flex? It is a great option if you want to have a good flexible side hustle. You can work whenever you want, there are no commitments, and knowing the upfront earnings makes it easy to plan your day. That's all about how Amazon Flex works and how you can get started. As promised, here's how much I earned after gas and how many kilometers I drove. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video and I'll see you next time. Bye.